Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of strawberries and exploring the incredible benefits they offer. From boosting your health to tantalizing your taste buds, these little red gems have a lot to offer. So grab a handful of strawberries and let's get started. Let us examine in more detail why strawberries are frequently referred to as a nutrient powerhouse. Strawberries are tiny in size, yet their nutritious content far exceeds their weight. Strawberries are a remarkable food because of their high vitamin C concentration. For most adults, 1 cup of strawberries supplies more than 100% of their daily recommended dose of vitamin C. Now, you might be wondering why vitamin C is so important. Well, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting our immune system. It helps to strengthen our body's defenses against infections and illnesses, making strawberries a fantastic choice for bolstering your immune health, especially during the cold and flu season. But that's not all. Additionally, collagen production, which is critical for keeping skin, hair, and nails healthy, is aided by vitamin C. Thus, strawberries can support strong, glossy hair and glowing skin, in addition to keeping you healthy on the inside. Strawberries are a great source of vitamin C as well as other vital nutrients, including manganese, folate, and vitamin K. Manganese aids in metabolism and antioxidant defense, while vitamin K is necessary for healthy bones and blood coagulation. Contrarily, folate is essential for DNA synthesis and cell proliferation, which makes it even more significant during pregnancy. Furthermore, strawberries are low in calories and contain virtually no fat or cholesterol, making them a guilt-free snack option for anyone looking to maintain a healthy weight or improve their overall dietary habits. Plus, the fiber content in strawberries can help promote feelings of fullness and support digestive health. So, whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support healthy skin and hair, or simply enjoy a nutritious and delicious snack, strawberries truly live up to their reputation as a nutritional powerhouse. With their impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's no wonder that strawberries are considered one of nature's superfoods. Now, let's talk about one of the most fascinating aspects of strawberries, their rich antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to oxidative stress and various diseases. Antioxidants such as flavonoids, phenolic acids, and ellagic acid are abundant in strawberries. Together, these potent substances neutralize free radicals and lower inflammation levels throughout the body. Quercetin is a major flavonoid present in strawberries that has been demonstrated to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Through its ability to scavenge damaging free radicals and suppress the synthesis of inflammatory molecules, quercetin helps protect the body against chronic diseases. In addition to quercetin, strawberries also contain anthocyanins, which are responsible for the fruit's vibrant red color. Anthocyanins have been linked to a variety of health benefits, including improved heart health, enhanced cognitive function, and reduced risk of certain cancers. Furthermore, strawberries are an excellent source of ellagic acid, a natural compound that has been studied for its potential anti-cancer effects. Ellagic acid has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancerous tissues. Beyond their individual antioxidant compounds, strawberries also contain a synergistic blend of nutrients that work together to amplify their health benefits. By regularly consuming strawberries as part of a balanced diet, you can help protect your cells from oxidative damage and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. So, whether you're enjoying them fresh, blended into a smoothie, or mixed into a salad, be sure to savor the antioxidant-rich goodness of strawberries. These little red gems pack a powerful punch when it comes to promoting health and vitality. A word of caution: while strawberries offer a multitude of health benefits, they may not be suitable for everyone. If you have a specific health condition or are taking medication, consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. But the health benefits of these delicious berries go beyond simply what is inside of them. Strawberries are a wonderful food choice for anyone trying to maintain a healthy weight because of their high fiber level, which can help with digestion and feelings of fullness. Now let's talk about how versatile strawberries are in the kitchen. Whether you're blending them into a refreshing smoothie, tossing them into a vibrant salad, or simply enjoying them on their own, there are endless ways to incorporate strawberries into your diet. Strawberries are a terrific substitute for sugary treats when you are desiring something decadent because they are inherently sweet. You can indulge in these guilt-free treats at any time of day. Beyond their nutritional benefits and culinary versatility, strawberries also have a positive impact on the environment. Unlike some other fruits, strawberries require relatively little water to grow, making them a more sustainable choice for conscientious consumers. So, whether you're looking to improve your health, tantalize your taste buds, or make more eco-friendly food choices, adding more strawberries to your diet is a win-win. With their sweet flavor and impressive array of benefits, it's clear that strawberries are a fruit worth celebrating. Thanks for joining us on this strawberry-filled journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious content. Until next time, happy eating!